Xandla xa President David Mabuza u kondletele maAfrika Dzonga hinkwawo kuya tlhava nsawutiso wa COVID-19 no kambela HIV na AIDS. Mabuza a vulavula enhlengeletanini ya siku ra misava ra AIDS eSaselamani ehandle ka le ka Malamulele. U ri vanhu lava tikumaka va ri na HIV va fanele ku nwa tiphilisi hi ndlela leyi faneleke.
As we aim to strengthen our antiretroviral treatment rollout, as well as finding the missing HIV and TB cases, we need equally to upscale our prevention efforts across all levels of society, as this will be a deciding factor in our ability to curb the spread of this epidemic. It is for this reason that our actions count in realizing our vision of an HIV-free generation in our lifetime. As a country, we have made significant strides and gains in the fight against HIV and AIDS epidemic, despite the many and complex challenges that we continue to face in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic.